We was on roll like tigers, roll that weed. I'm in my bag like reefer. Really gonna run for money. Lil Flow Joe chasing the chat. Hey, what's good? So, I'm back by the water, and I'm just smoking and vibing, smoking and vibing. Who know that song? Yeah. This is unofficial, or if I'm being lazy, let me turn the music down a little bit. This is my unofficial, and if I'm lazy or still, then this will be month 7. I'm just kind of showing my hair, which, it works because I did just kind of do some more stuff to it. It looks a little different, so it works. Only thing I've done is taken loose hairs, 2-strand, twisted them together, and then some of my rubber banded, but for the most part, I just been 2-stranded. So it looks a little different, but what the beauty about this is, I can just upload it as soon as I get to the house. I ain't even gotta edit it. But yeah, like I said, this is the unofficial update video. I'm gonna be talking to you a little bit. It's pretty much gonna be the same thing as this. Music playing in the background, me talking, minimal cuts. But yeah, we're just talking. If you care to listen, stay tuned, and talk to you soon. Peace out.